So if you are going to enjoy these things, try to buy original, guys, and save a lot of money. You know, I know we love to have this trend. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you're wondering, what am I drinking? I'm drinking coffee. I need some energy. I need to wake up. Not really energy, but to be active and to be awake in things that I'm going to do today. So today's video is about something that I bought recently, and I want to show you guys what it is that I bought.
Hi dear.
What?
Can I go in?
Yeah. What do you want? Okay, somebody came back from school. What do you want?
Nothing. Just want to be in video.
Hey. Oh, are you okay? Okay, let me finish. Okay? Then we talk later. So the boys are back from school, and then you can see he wants to be in the video and like this. Okay, he's going to come back later. I will tell him that, come, you say bye-bye. So he'll come and say bye. Okay, I need coffee. I'm looking sleepy, I think so. Okay, so let me show you what's in the box, and then I'll tell you the good thing about searching things before you buy these pre-loved stuffs, because some of these things are expensive. When I tell you that some pre-loved are expensive more than the original price, that's a thing. So let me show you what's in the box. Actually, I did open the box already because I wanted to see before I do the thing, to show you guys in case I don't like it, so, but then I love it. Let me show you. Okay, so it came in a box like this. Oh my god, I should not show you my address. So this is the box where she did pack everything. Okay. Oh my god, you want to show them?
Yeah.
Okay, before I do my thing, my boy wants to show you guys this. So that's my boy. That's him there. Okay. So guys, let me show you what's inside. Someone is just, yes, my dear.
I made cool things.
Wait, no.
Long time.
Yes.
And with it play much and long time. And then I made something. I made a heart and a star.
Oh, that's great. Oh. Okay. So guys, let me show you my little addition to my Alma collection. So it's Louis Vuitton Alma Bebe. I think that's a proper pronunciation. No, this is French. Alma Bebe, I think so. So let me show you this cute little bag that I've added to my collection. Unfortunately, I can't complete, there are 4. Alma Baby is the smallest, and then comes the PM, and then comes the MM and GM. I have MM and PM. GM, they don't make it anymore. So let me show you. So, yeah, today. So you can see, guys, how cute is this little handbag? Little Alma Baby. This is orange. and the key, the lock, everything. And you can see it's clean. You can see also clean, and you know, she said she has not used it a lot, and I agreed, because if I show you, because she bought this in 2013, and just look at the way it's looking like. Okay, so let me try to show you inside.
This is made 2017.
No.
2013.
Okay, so she bought in 2013.
Aha.
Yes.
Like Mia was born and now Louis.
Okay,
And
so
Louis.
everything is inside. You know, before they changed the packaging, it was brown. So everything is here, and this one is here. You know, everything. So then what she did, she had to put the receipt in what? In the new packaging. So this is the new packaging, and this is the new packaging. So this is what she did. And then, so this is also the receipt. I was like, yeah, if the receipt is there, so I need it. So I have the receipt, and then you can see that was the price when she bought it, and she sold it 850 Swiss francs. It's just a cute little handbag, and I'm so happy, hi sweetie, to have it, you know. So let me just say one thing. If you want to buy a pre-loved handbag, please try to compare the original price from the main page, you know. Try to compare that, because some pre-loved, guys, they are so expensive. I'm not lying this, I'm telling you. If you are going to enjoy these things, try to buy original, guys, and save a lot of money. You know, I know we love to have this trend. Please, please, please forget about trendy things. You know, try to invest in something that you're going to enjoy forever and ever. And also you can give other people if you are tired of using them, or you can resell them. And don't be proud, you know, don't be proud to carry something fake. It doesn't feel good. Yes, you know, oh, brand, I love designers and like this, but some of these things, they don't feel good when you're carrying fake thing, you know, like, oh, it's a fake product, it's a fake item, and you're saying you're proud. No, dear, don't be proud of that, you know. So happy to have this little cute bag. You can have a look. Still clean. And I'm going to, as soon as possible, you'll see it on my Instagram page.
Do you want
Yes.
one? Do you want one?
So this is the thing. To what? Smarties, oh, Smarties. That's not healthy. Okay, so you guys, thank you for watching. Continue subscribing to my channel, and please make sure that don't invest your money in fake. So bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing. Oh, I've been saying all these things. Okay, keep on subscribing to my channel, and we are going to enjoy little thing here and there. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, bye bye guys.